In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Bluebeam Studio Session. If you're new to Bluebeam, Studio Sessions are live, collaborative spaces where teams can review and mark up PDFs together in real time. Joining a session is quick, and once you know where to click, you'll be connected in just a moment. Start by opening Bluebeam Revu on your computer. Give it a second to load fully so all the panels are available. At the top of the window, look for the Studio option in the menu bar. This is your gateway to everything collaborative in Revu, including sessions and projects. Click Studio to open the panel. If you don't see it right away, your workspace may be collapsed. Hover or click to expand it. Inside the Studio panel, choose Join Session. This tells Revu you're not creating a new session, you're connecting to one that already exists and that you've been invited to. Depending on your company's settings, you may be prompted to sign into Studio before proceeding. If that happens, just follow the on-screen prompt and return to Join Session. You'll see a field asking for a Studio Session ID or a link. Your host should have shared one of these with you, usually by email or chat. If it's a link, you can paste it directly. If it's an ID, type it carefully to avoid extra spaces or missing characters. Accuracy really matters here. One misplaced character can prevent you from connecting. If a web browser opens when you click a link, that's okay. Revu will typically handle the handoff back to the app. Next, enter your name exactly as you want it to appear to other participants. This is the display name everyone will see in the attendee list and next to your markups, so choose something clear and professional. If your organization prefers a specific format, stick to that for consistency. When everything looks good, click Join. Revu will contact the Studio server, verify the session details, and then load the documents and attendee list. If the session is live, you'll see who's already in and which files are available. Give it a moment if large PDFs are loading. If you receive an error, double check the ID or link with your host. Make sure you're connected to the internet and confirm you're using a supported version of Revu. That's it. Open Revu, go to Studio, select Join Session, enter the ID or link and your name and click Join. You're ready to collaborate.